me, Danielle. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I have a Trader Joe's haul for you. These things are like my staples. Like every time I go to Trader Joe's, these are the things that I need and I like to have on hand because me and the family absolutely love them, and I think you guys would love them as well. This video is also going to be so much fun because it's in collaboration with Christine OLLEY over on her channel. She's a long-term Weight Watchers girl. I've been watching her, guys, forever. So when she agreed to do this collab with me, I secretly was like fangirl dying. So thank you so much, Christine, for collabing with me. I can't wait to see what you pick. So if you guys are from Christine's channel, hello, my name is Danielle. I do a little bit of everything here. I am new to the Weight Watchers community. I do some cleaning, some cooking, motherhood, home decor, cleaning. I mean, I do it all. Anything that is everything in life, I kind of touch on. So I would hope you guys would stick around and hit that subscribe button. If you guys are from my channel, please just take a few seconds and go check out Christine if you have not done so already. I'm telling you guys, you would love her. So let me show you what I got from Trader Joe's. So we're just gonna go through everything, guys. As always, I always put the points on stuff just to make it easier for when we're like going to grab stuff out of the fridge, and it just kind of takes the guesstimating out of everything, you know, because I always know how many points I have. I just forget how many points things are. So I went ahead and picked up these gyro slices. You guys know that I'm huge on the JOES'S pita bread, so I like to have gyros, and because gyros are like a guilty pleasure of mine. So it's 7 points for 2 ounces of the meat, which is actually quite a bit, guys. So I'll take some fresh tomato and some onion, and I will warm up this meat and I would warm up my pita and make myself a gyro. And I got 2 packs because, you know, for me and the family. And then I also got the tzatziki sauce. So it's 1 point for 1 ounce, which is a good amount, guys. And this stuff is so good. I absolutely love it. So I picked up these 2 right here. So there's a meal option for you too. Snuck that in there. I picked up these chicken gyoza pot stickers. These are so delicious. One of my friends here on Instagram told me about these, and I picked them up and I've loved them ever since. They're 5 for 5 ounces, and you get a good amount, guys, and they're very, very tasty. I picked up the vegetable fried rice. It's 6 points for 1 1/4 cup. It's really tasty. I enjoy it, and my girls absolutely love it. So I always pick up 2 because we go through it really quickly. I picked up 2 packs of the chicken cilantro mini wontons. They are 1 point for 4 pieces. So I mean, you can have a good amount, and they're pretty good. I like to mix these up with a little bit of that rice, or if you guys didn't have that much points for both, maybe just do some cauliflower rice. So good, guys. Have to get these. Delicious. I did pick up my chunky guacamole, which is a must-have because I like dips, and I like to put this with my eggs, or if I'm gonna have tacos, or sometimes I just like to eat it with air-fried pita bread and make like tortilla chips out of it. So you get 1 point for 2 tablespoons, and it's a pretty good amount, guys. Another one of my must-haves is the fat-free crumbled feta cheese. It is 0 points for 1 ounce, and it's actually, guys, a really good amount. I like Greek food a lot. I love making like a scrambled eggs with some onion, and I top it with some of this feta cheese, and it's delish. I picked up some of this fat-free pizza sauce. Very good. If you guys ever had the Joseph's lavish bread, you can just use one of those. A whole bread is 2 points with one of these for 1 point, and some turkey pepperoni or whatever toppings you want, and make a big old pizza, and it would be bomb. So you get 1 point for 1/4 of a cup. I got some Gummy Multivitamins for my oldest because she asked for some. These are also for my oldest. These are the turkey corn dogs, 5 points for 1. They're not big enough for me to justify spending 5 points on them, but she likes them and she seems to be full on them, so I get them for her. I got these fire roasted bell peppers and onions. I mean, I guess I could always cut these up and do these myself, but it kind of takes out the work for it, and they have like a really good flavor to them. I don't know what's in there, but it's delicious. So I got that. Those are 0. I got some broccoli slaw. I make my egg rolls with this, or I'm gonna make a coleslaw. to go with Super Bowl Sunday, and I just love this stuff. It's so good and it's so easy. So, and you could do so much with it. You could fry it up with just a little soy sauce and eat it just like that, maybe with some shrimp, and that'll be 0 points. So I got that. I got this for Leo. This is the Mexican corn. You can get the one without the cheese for 0. This is 7 points because it has the Mexican crumbled cheese on there, but I got it for him for Super Bowl Sunday. Light shredded mozzarella. I've been doing the fat-free cheese for the last couple weeks, and I mean, it's okay for the points, you know, but it doesn't taste like anything, and it doesn't melt, and I don't know, I just don't like it. So I went ahead and went back to this light shredded cheese. So for 1 point, you get 1 ounce, and it's meltable, and it tastes like real cheese. So it's worth it in my book. I picked up this Trader Joe's coconut oil spray. I love this stuff. It's a must. Their fat-free refried beans are delicious. So if you wanted to mix a little bit of this with some of the guacamole, it would be bomb. This is probably my favorite spaghetti sauce right now. It's the organic spaghetti sauce. You get 2 points for a half a cup. I've been using this in my pressure cooker when I make pasta in there, and it's so good, so good, and it's so flavorful, and I just really enjoy it. Me and the kids love these. This is very comparable to like the Pirate's Booty, but I think it tastes better. I get the white cheddar and the sour cream and onion. So for 4 points, you get 2.5 cups, and it's a huge amount, guys. If you get like a little sandwich and some of these, or even if you just want to eat these while you're watching a movie, delicious. Get these. Even for your kids, they would just love them. They're so good. This is not for me. This is for Rebecca and Sophie. But they wanted some apple juice, so I got them this one. It's 7 points a cup. I don't drink this stuff, so now for 7 points, I definitely won't be drinking it. I got, because I am just craving spring, is this little tulip plant, because I just need some greenery and sun and warmth. And here in Chicago, it's not any of those things. And I'm just going to pretend like it is. So yeah, there you have it. Those are my favorite things. Those are the things that I get for myself on Weight Watchers, and then I also get for my husband and my kids that I just cannot live without. My must-haves. So if you guys go to Trader Joe's, what do you get? Do you have any suggestions for me? Because I'm always up to look for new things, and Trader Joe's is kind of overwhelming because I feel like there's just so much store to cover that you can't really find everything. So let me know below. What is your favorite item? Like, what is your must-have thing that you have to have? So if you guys are from Christine's channel, again, I hope you guys would stick around and subscribe. We do a lot of fun stuff around here, and it's a good time. And make sure you go check out Christine, guys. You will absolutely love her. All right, I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.